I guess the time has come and I've reached 5,000 subscribers. I am really happy, and I was actually wondering if it was going to happen before, on, or after my birthday, because my birthday is in 3 days on the 12th. And I will be 57, which is kind of mind-blowing. Oh well, I'll be 57. Anyway, it's a nice early birthday present, wonderful birthday present for me, because it's more than double the projection I had for the channel. I think I said that before. I was projecting like 2,500 subscribers for my first year, and it's been 10 months since I posted my first YouTube video for this channel on May 4th. Yeah, May the 4th be with you. That was, remember, I'm a nerd. Anyway, so yeah, and I cannot thank you enough for being my subscribers and being here with me and for me. And let's talk about the giveaway contest. The giveaway contest will be exactly like the ones that I had before. That is, you will have to make a piece using one or more of my tutorials and send me the photos if there are more. Just I have one single request and favor to ask you. If you intend to send me a video, of course you don't have to send me a video on how you made the piece, just the piece. But if you want to send me a video, because I know that sometimes people, when they send me what they made following my my tutorials, some of those tutorials have pearlescence and 3D effects, and they send me videos so I can see better. But anyway, I was saying, if you want to send me a video, please upload it on YouTube and send me the link. You may make it unlisted, it's fine, it will still show on the entry page, but it's a little bit of a hassle for me to download the video and re-upload it. So I will, as soon as this video is uploaded, I will make a thread on the Kalyana Facebook page that will be pinned at the top, and I will post in the comments all your entries. And as before, the person who has the most likes wins the prize, and it will last for 2 weeks. The clock starts ticking whenever the video is posted. So I wish you good luck in the contest giveaway contest. Okay. Anyway, and thank you again for being my subscribers, and I hope I will be able for a long time from now to still make interesting tutorials for you. And I promise you, as I promised so many times before, even if I started making paid tutorials, I will still make a lot of free tutorials. That will not be just, you know, a little crappy stuff just to attract subscribers, because you know that I don't monetize my channel, so I don't really have that huge of an interest in attracting subscribers. But of course I'm going to celebrate. But again, I'm not going to post little crappy video free tutorials just for the sake of posting them. I promise you, you will still get interesting and pretty and useful and informative classes and tutorials and reviews from now on. All that I can pray for is that I'm healthy enough to be able to make them for you. So once again, good luck with the giveaway, and thank you again for being my subscribers, and I love you all. Goodbye. Come with me, let me take you around the world. Let me take you back in time. Even at the beginning of civilization.
show you how you too can create beauty. Journey with me. Let me be your guide.